make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. And let's begin this video. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. You got a problem with my video and my voiceover and how I do things, you let me know in the comment section. Alright? Now, I'm going to pull up this video so I can begin this voiceover. And y'all got me all screaming got me going all crazy and everything. Hold on, where's the file at? I'm looking for a file. My fault, all unprofessional and stuff. I wanted to say S-H-I-T. I wanted to say shit, but I just said stuff. So let's go ahead and watch the video. I'm going ahead and mute it. So let's begin. All right, first things first. Removing the tire. Make sure you remove the tire. You don't know how to remove the tire. This job ain't for you. I'm just being real with you. You don't know how to take off the lug nuts. You won't make it throughout the whole video. I'm being real with you. Next, what I'm doing is taking some PP Blaster, spraying off all my nuts and all that good stuff that I will be removing, nuts and bolts and stuff. It ain't that many, but it's something there. So sorry for the crappy camera angles, but common sense is common sense. And you guys will know what parts I will be removing because I will have a good camera angle position on it. And I have my GoPro with my head strap on. So I'm getting the job done. Alright, so next I'm taking a 18mm socket, okay, with the 1/2-inch gun, and I got my 18 swivel. That's my Snap-on, by the way. They got the strongest swivel to me, and impact tools, and that's my impact socket to Snap-on too. Taking off the nut that that keeps the spindle to the upper control arm, so I'm taking that nut off. And then next I'm going to take a hammer. There's a striking point and the size of a penny, the circumference, or the radius, almost, but whatever. Take a hammer, hit that striking point until the upper control arm separates from the how great to say, is it knuckle, spindle, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. Next I'm filling on this brake hose. Make sure you guys, if you want to, you leave it on. It's up to you. I don't have any strains on any type of brake hoses or ABS wires. I don't play those games. So I'm just going to take a my 3/8 impact gun, and for you probably using hand tools, but the size for the bolt is a 10mm. Let's go ahead and take the 10mm bolt off, and I always put my screw back in the same spot because I don't want to lose it, or you can leave it on the side of the lift like how I do. It's up to you, but now I have a lot of room and I don't have anything tangling or dangling in my way. So next I'm taking a 15/16, if I can remember, it looks like a 15/16 standard wrench. And it could be wrong, could be 13/16, but it's a 15/16 if I can remember. And I took the 18 and my wrench and take off the nut and bolt combo for the strut itself, the whole complete strut. And what I'm doing is I'm guiding out, a little trick I always use to guide out the bolt with a wrench, as long as you got space to put it in between. So got that bolt out for the strut and the nut. Next, I'm taking off the nut for the sway link. I did that already, and I believe that was a 21mm for the nut, and that came straight out, no problems whatsoever. Next, I'm working up from the top. I'm removing my 3 nuts that keep the strut in, the strut mount. And once I take those 3 off, and when you get down to your last one, be careful because the strut will drop down. Thank God I'm already forked onto the lower control arm. I could just let it hang on the lower control arm. Once it dropped down, it automatically catch on. So I just took off 3 nuts off. And next, I don't know what I'm looking for now. I'm going to move the strut out the way. And the reason why I'm moving the strut, some guys were like, oh, you're not supposed to remove the strut. Well, when I looked at the job, I did a little quick observation and I saw that I had no room to remove my upper control arm bolts. I had no room. So I took the strut out, or moved it out the way. Now, let me get back to my regular voice, because y'all be pissing me off in the comments and always let me know what I should have had done and make it seem so like y'all teaching me something. I'm the one with the YouTube channel. You ain't got one. When you get a YouTube channel, you do what you want. So, taking off the nut for the nut and bolt combo for the bolts for the upper control arm. Just go ahead and back that off. Fast forward this part because I don't like, when I'm taking off something that got countless threads on it, you'll just be ratcheting for a long time. We ain't got time for all of that, so we just go ahead and speed it up. And y'all make me want to curse in this S or stuff or SHIT. Y'all know what the hell I'm trying to say. So we're going to keep some limitations on cussing. So move the strut out the way. Now I'm able to get one nut out. Bolt. You see how I got that bolt out? Because I had rum, because I moved the strut out the way, and I have rum now. Makes logical sense now. So I'm moving another ground wire. I should have told you I removed one before that was on the side, because you're gonna have ground wires in a way of you getting to your nuts. Common sense. You see a ground wire, what do? Remove the ground wire so you have room. All right. So I won't be showing you guys. You guys won't be able to see. But if you saw what the nut and bolt combo setup looks like for the upper control arm on one side that I did first, for the rear, because I can't get a good camera angle, I should have zoomed in and took a snapshot. But it is what it is. Once you saw one side, the other side looks exactly the same. So get your tool, finesse your way in there. Keyword, finesse. Finesse your way in there. You pick whatever tool setup you want to use and just get in there. And I got in there with an angle, damn, I curse. Wow. Angle, ratchet, 3/8 ratchet. And now I want to move the strut out the way so that way I can get the, nut, was it nut or bolt? Get the bolt out. And I'm going to raise the lift up some, so, because I don't like squatting. Hurts my knees, so you sit in a certain position. And got my last bolt out and removed the whole upper control arm. Now we're installing the upper control arm. Is what? Because I say it in a lot of my how-to videos. Installation is reverse of removal. All you got to do is rewind the video or go back in the steps in order and you'll be able to get the job done. So, but I'm going to be nice enough to, fast forward everything just to show you guys or whatever. It's icing on the cake for me, but it's more information for you. So it's part of me being nice. Because, you guys like to be ungrateful and stuff and like to complain. So I'm going ahead and I'm not telling you what I'm putting back on because I said installation is what? I want to say it in a calm manner. Installation is reverse of removal. Reverse of removal. I'm going to say it one more time. Installation is reverse of removal. So now we got that out of the way. Now you don't want to tighten your upper control arm, your nut and bolts. Don't tighten them. Leave them loose because you want the upper control arm to have, to have play in it. As to say, it's swinging up and down. So I got a burp too. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, damn. Excuse me. That stinks. I need to take a Tic Tac. Hold on. I don't know my Tic Tac at. Yeah, I'm gonna take a Tic Tac. I'm gonna take two. Well, whatever. So yeah, you want it loose because you want rum. You have to swing it and line everything back up. And once you get everything tight and you'll see why. Leave it loose, but I'm not gonna keep chiming in on that part. So I'm putting in. Got my strut bolts in. Got my sway link bolt, stud. Put that back onto the strut. So got that tightened down. Already got my strut. Well, I think I tightened. No, I don't think I tightened it yet. But whatever. I did the job correctly. It's out the door and the car's going. So I don't need to clear nothing up with y'all, cause y'all ain't my boss. And yeah, y'all don't support me. Well, I run this YouTube channel. Y'all support me. I appreciate it. But y'all don't help manage my channel. I manage it. So go ahead and tighten up the strut. Nut and bolt combo. Got that. Got that good. Alright, next. I'm tightening up my upper control arm nuts for it. Get those nice and tight. Make sure you get your ground wires and all that good stuff back on. I think I should, because some stuff I left out. I don't want to sit there and then make this whole video 45 minutes long. You got me chopped up. Come on, man. No, don't put my I said tightening up my grounds. Something in my throat. Another ground wire. Just little nuts that keep them held in because they're already studs in the place. So I think what I'm doing next, I'm tightening up my upper, I keep saying upper, the strut mounts, the 3 studs for it. Put your nuts back on. Then I'm connecting the brake hose to the knuckle, spindle itself. 10mm bolt, of course, and then go ahead and get that tightened down. Oh, well, I don't think I showed you guys this part, because I may have let this on the last clip. But, whoa, wait, I'm tightening. I am. Okay, all right, I'm on a ball here. I was tired when I was editing this video. I did it right after the live stream. So that's that. Leekautorepair. Showed you guys how to do what? I showed you guys how to replace, how to remove, how to install your upper control arm on your Chrysler 300. And it could be the same for your Dodge Charger, since that's the cars coming from the same manufacturer. But what else should I chime in on this, since we at the end of the video? I think that's that. So yeah, make sure you guys watch my other video. I'll show you guys how to install the outer tie rod for this particular car, Chrysler 300. I don't know if this go for the all-wheel drive versions. It could be. The steps could be very similar, except for you have an axle on the front. So this suspension could be set up a different way. I don't know. I haven't gotten around to doing our control arms on all-wheel drive Chrysler 300. But when I do, of course, I'll let you know. So that's that. I'm Leekautorepair. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment section. Make sure you guys hit that bell button next to the subscribe. That's right. As soon as you subscribe, click on that bell notification, so that way you can get all my videos when they come out. You get the notification. If you want to click on watch later and watch it later, it's up to you. But that's that, cause I'm killing this video over 10 minutes long. So I'm out. Peace. Have a good one, guys.